So we're sauteing the onion in some olive oil, and once that's been sauteed a little bit, then we will add the fresh spinach. This is the filling for our vegetarian pide.
So this is grated mozzarella cheese that she's adding.
I will add 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, and we will also add about 1 cup of white cheese, but this is just in this form. If you have crumbled feta cheese, it will work, but we will need to just mash this.
So this is a very economical way of using your cheese. You don't have to use 100% feta. You could do 50% of the mozzarella. Then it's a bit more stringy. Plus, the feta, I think, is more pricey, right? Than the mozzarella.
Then place them on a cup.
So that's the pasta?
Hamurlar büyük çünkü kalın olur sonra mayalı ya. Şimdi iyice şişer. Şöyle yapsam daha çok pişirebilecek misin? Anlamaya çalışıyorum pişirmeyi. Herkes şey yapmayacak.
So one step that we, sorry. Let them finish.